Hey guys, it's 973 Minibikes. Welcome back. Come along with me today to trade this for a TTR 125. Alrighty guys, so we're driving right now and we are almost at the guy's house. Some nice scenic roads for us. Sad to see the Mini go, but we are on our way back home with two new bikes. Let's go. After installing a new carburetor, the bike started right up. So as you guys can see, the bike runs, goes through all the gears, but it does smoke a little, so the rings are probably worn. We're gonna tear it down and see what's going on inside this motor. So we're slowly making our way around the bike, taking the fenders off, unbolting the gas tank, and taking off the battery. After undoing the bolts and disconnecting the fuel line, the tank should lift straight off the frame. At this point, we have the bike apart enough to where we can undo the motor mounts and take the engine out of the frame. After a closer inspection, the frame seems to check out, no rust and no holes anywhere. The wheel set seems to be in good condition as well. The back brake works, the front brake needs adjusting. They are both drum, not discs. Now we're undoing the 4 bolts that hold the head on to the cylinder and also taking the timing chain cover off as well. Okay. After removing the head, you're going to remove the timing chain as well as the timing chain guides, and the cylinder should come right off. Further inspecting the cylinder, you can see there's some light score marks going up and down the sides. This can be fixed with a hone job, but the piston, if we take a look at it, it's not going to be as lucky with some deep gashes. The rings seem to be fried as well. So we're just going to go ahead and refresh this motor with the BBR 150 big bore kit. Not such a happy moment here, as the flywheel puller we decided to use ended up breaking the crankshaft. The threads exploded, so we're gonna have to find a replacement crank as well as a one-way bearing that's on the back of this flywheel for the electric start. Here I'm just knocking out the wrist pin that holds in the piston, and you can just take the piston right off the connecting rod. See, this piston has seen better days. Done for. I'm going to take a quick second away from the bench to show you some brand new stickers for Predator, Tillotson, Ducar, or Honda engine side covers. These side cover stickers are available at MINIBIKE Hub Facebook group, so join and hit me up for one. Now back to what we were doing. We're going to pull the rest of the bolts out of the side cover and the case. Make sure all of them are out so that the case is going to be able to split in half freely. And then you should be able to take it apart. Yep. That's it. Oh, look at how much metal shavings there are in there. Holy hell. Alrighty, so there's no gasket, so whoever did the rebuild previously really didn't do a correct job. Holy. Look at that metal coming out. It's not supposed to be inside of an engine at all. Oh. Just dumping it out with my fingers. That is horrific. I don't understand. Oh my goodness. And there's more in there. Here's the shift drum. That doesn't look too well. So this pretty much wraps up today's video. We did everything we could for this engine at this point. We're waiting for the parts, the BBR 150 kit and the crankshaft, the starter one-way bearing. With the Facebook group chat, we have 3,500 members in MINIBIKE Hub, so thank you guys for all the support and stay on the lookout. We'll catch you on the next one.